In this video, I'll guide you through a practical example of how to create a steel shaft using additional wall openings. This is the first part of a series. So in the next videos, we'll cover how to work with additional child objects and child object groups according to this example. Let's get started! First, we'll create a new project with the following specifications. Go ahead and pause the video here to set everything up. All set? Awesome! Now, let's move on. The first thing we'll do is add two new view frames, one vertical view from the left and one 3D view. Adjust the 3D view to your liking. Next, we'll clean up the workspace by switching off component groups that aren't needed. You can do this through the Component Visibility group. Just a quick reminder, the visibility settings apply only to the selected view frame, so make sure to adjust each frame individually. Now, let's get into the fun part. We'll begin by selecting the shaft and adding a new additional wall opening. You can rename it if you want. We need this wall opening to span the entire shaft, including the shaft walls. To achieve that, enter minus the shaft wall thickness for the distances to the inner shaft walls. In this case, that's minus 200 mm for each side. Next up, we want the shaft walls to disappear, but only up to the pit level. For this, we need to adjust the wall opening depth. Select the wall opening, for instance via the breadcrumb docking window, and then enter minus 16,800 mm for Y1. That's it for setting up the wall openings. Be sure to check out the next video, where we'll move on to the next phase of the practical example. Thanks for watching!